What's good, what is good, my sizers? We're back again with another video, and today we'll be going over the Cannery Casino. Now, I will warn you that this footage will be very shaky because there were security guards located all over the premises of this casino, and I feel like they were all watching me, so I just kind of literally did a walkthrough. So there's going to be a lot of slot machines, and I will show you the table games, although I will say the Cannery Casino does not have a lot to offer aside from gambling. It's not very family friendly in a sense. Like, there's other options I would choose for a more family friendly casino. However, the Cannery Casino is located about 10.5 miles away from the strip. Honestly, the best way to describe my experience while filming at this casino, because this is the first time I've ever been to the Cannery Casino that I remember at least, it reminded me of when I went to film the Sahara Casino, because there is security all over the Sahara Casino as well, so much so that they even started to follow me. However, here they would just look at me and then talk on their little walkie-talkies. That's why I kind of felt like I was being watched. But as you can see, we're already halfway through this casino and all you see is slot machines and a couple of table games. They are, however, a part of the Boyd Rewards program. So if you are a Boyd's Rewards program member, then they are part of that too. I believe the Boyd's Rewards program also includes the following casinos: Aliante Casino, Gold Coast, the Orleans, Samstown, Suncoast, California Casino, Fremont Casino, and Main Street Station Casino. Now, 3 of these casinos can be found downtown, but the rest of them are scattered throughout Las Vegas. Now, considering half of those casinos I mentioned are downtown, you should also know that the Cannery Casino is about a 10-minute drive away from downtown Las Vegas. Now, granted, they do have a lot of table games to offer, and they were quite busy, or loud I should say, and I came midday. So that's really good to know that their table games are always going rather than like stopping and breaking, or, you know, only popular during nights or only popular during the weekends. But if you're looking for a more quiet casino that still has a lot of activity, then I would definitely suggest the Cannery. Now, this one is just called the Cannery. There is another one called East Cannery, but that one did not survive the pandemic. So this one is called the Cannery. It's on Craig Road, just next to the highway. Now, their room check-in area and where their rooms are located is going to be to the left of the main entrance, next to the gift shop. Their gift shop is quite small, but it's right next to the room, so it's very convenient. And then next to the rooms and the gift shop is called the Club, which is where they host concerts or comedians and just have like special guests and stuff. Also next to that is the Cashier Cage, and it's next to a restaurant called Carve, and its main focus is prime ribs. There's also a bar next to it, a mini bar next to it I should say, and then across from Carve is Victory, which is a cafe / diner and also has a sports bar section, which of course you have to be 21 and older to enter. But if you keep walking down this hallway, you'll enter their food court, which has a Java Vegas, which is basically a small coffee shop, and a Steak and Shake, which serves burgers and fries mostly, and of course milkshakes. Now, across from that is a smaller area for some more slot machines, and then next to that is their sports book, and their sports book is pretty big considering this casino seemed pretty empty and calm, cool, collected, but don't worry because they also have bingo. Now, earlier I mentioned that this casino is not necessarily all that family friendly, because the only family friendly activity they have aside from the Victory Cafe and the Carve Prime Rib restaurant is they have a movie theater, but after this movie theater there's no other activities for you and your children to do. But if you're a big movie goer, then just know that this movie theater is Galaxy owned. It's not Regal, it's not AMC, it is Galaxy. And last but not least, for all my truck drivers out there, they do have a designated parking lot where you can park your semis, come on in to gamble, and stay if you rent a room, and that is in the back of the casino. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have ever been here, and if so, what your experience was like. And be sure to smash that subscribe button down there while you're at it. Toodles!